All right, so it's been a few months. We put this stuff to the test. We're gonna see how the longevity and the durability is on this interior ceramic by DIY Detail. Stick around. So this vehicle has not been detailed in about 4 months. It's about when we applied the stuff on it and the DIY Detail interior ceramic. So I simply have a Rag Company towel here. We're just gonna give it a wipe down. There's some ONR on here, very, very lightly diluted. So it's essentially like water, you know, a little bit of a cleaner in there, but we're just gonna wipe it down and see what we have here. Everything is, I have noticed doing previous wipe downs on this vehicle that things do wipe up and clean up a lot easier. But I also have maintained this vehicle more than I ever have. And yeah, my main concern was this guy here. This vehicle sits literally in the sun all day long. So we all know how these areas can get real crazy as far as like sticky, and it actually feels good. Ow, it's hot. It's hot to the touch right now. But as far as it not feeling oily, greasy, there's no residue on it, so it feels really good. And I'm actually excited to make this video for you guys. So let's check out the door panel here. This door panel was, so I'm gonna give it a spray of the ONR light mist on here. We're gonna give it a wipe as well. This is where I was really impressed with this stuff, guys. I've been playing with things I have with SiO2s on interiors, so I'll be reviewing a few other ones, but this was the first one that I've actually used, and I really was happy with it. So you can see here, it still has a nice, and this is an old vehicle. This is a 2004, 2003. So for it to have, you know, nice rich blacks on this, and it's been outside, this vehicle has never been garage kept. So all these areas here, it was applied to, and as you can see, it's holding up very, very well. So after the cleanup here, I can officially say that this stuff is legit. I would recommend it. So I'll link the, you know, there is a little coupon code that they gave me. I'll link that in the description below. So if you guys are looking for some protection on your interior panels, try the interior ceramic by DIY Detail. Great stuff. It's proven its longevity and durability on my Subaru Baja. It's an older vehicle, and it is kept primarily outdoors. It seems to be protecting very well. So I'm going to add another coat to this, and I'll see you guys on the next video.